I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying what you have: wired USB-A or USB-C, Bluetooth, or a wireless dongle. Plug wired keyboards into a known working USB port. If using USB-C, make sure the port supports data, not only power. For wireless dongles, insert the receiver into a rear USB port for best signal. Once done, power on the keyboard if it has a switch. If pairing Bluetooth, keep the keyboard in pairing mode and open your Dell's Bluetooth settings now. You're now in the middle of the process. Pair and install. For Bluetooth, open Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, select Add Device and choose the keyboard when it appears. Wait for confirmation. If drivers are required, Windows Update often finds them automatically, otherwise run the manufacturer's installer. For wireless receivers, press the keyboard's pairing button and the dongles if present until LEDs flash. Windows should detect a new HID-compliant keyboard. Make sure to allow driver installation prompts. Finish by confirming functionality. Open Notepad and type to verify every key, then confirm layout and language in settings. If nothing happens, disconnect and try another USB port or reboot the Dell. For wireless keyboards, replace batteries and ensure the power switch is on. Once done, repair if needed. Remove the device entry and execute pairing again. A key troubleshooting tip: if pairing fails repeatedly, update BIOS or USB controller drivers and try a no.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.